No two snowflakes follow the exact same path, which is why each one grows into a pattern unlike any other. This constant dance of water molecules is fluid, complex, and incredibly precise, resulting in symmetrical yet infinitely varied crystals. When I catch a snowflake, I'm capturing that memory. Not just a frozen droplet of water, but a detailed record of the sky's mood at one moment. The resin I use chemically reacts with the water molecules, creating bonds that stabilize the shape. This reaction stops the crystal from melting or changing, preserving the snowflake structure exactly as it was when it landed.